The Delhi Transport Department issued a public notice banning bike taxi services offered by popular ride-hailing platforms such as Ola, Uber, and Rapido. According to the notice, the use of two-wheelers with non-transport registration numbers for commercial operations is a violation of the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988. As a result, these services have been stopped immediately. The Delhi government has been taking a strict stance against bike taxis in the city, citing safety concerns and the violation of commercial transport regulations. The Transport Department has stated that such operations are purely commercial and that non-transport vehicles are not authorized to carry passengers for hire. The government notice also highlights the penalties that would be imposed for the violation of the ban. The first offence will attract a fine of 5,000 rupees, and the second or subsequent offences will attract a fine of 10,000 rupees, along with imprisonment. Additionally, the driving license of the driver will be suspended for a minimum of 3 years. The digital platforms that facilitate such services will also be charged with a fine of 1 lakh rupees under the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988. This decision by the Delhi government comes just weeks after the Supreme Court rejected Rapido's plea to continue its bike taxi services in Maharashtra, where the Bombay High Court had directed the company to stop operations immediately. Despite the legal tussle that lasted for months, Ola, Uber, and Rapido decided to stop bike taxi operations in Maharashtra. Bike taxis have become popular in many cities due to their cost-effectiveness, convenience, and speed. However, concerns have been raised about the safety of passengers, as these two-wheelers are not designed to carry passengers. There is also a lack of proper regulation for such services, which increases the risk of accidents and crime. The Delhi government's decision to ban bike taxis is in line with its efforts to ensure the safety of commuters and to enforce regulations that govern commercial transport. While it may inconvenience some users, it is an important step towards ensuring that transportation services in the city comply with the law and prioritize the safety and security of passengers.